Hello and welcome. My name is Lynn McClelland and I am the Director for the Center for Teaching, Learning, and Employee Engagement. I'm also English faculty at PVCC. I tried to shoot this video outside with my backyard back there, and as soon as I set up my GoPro and my microphone, every plane and helicopter seemed to find the airspace above my house exciting, which triggered the neighbors' dogs and they started barking all the time. So I finally just brought everything inside and I'm shooting the video here. The Teachnology courses are pretty simple. They're 3 weeks long. You learn 2 tools and you create an assignment that you can use in your courses. In this particular course, we're examining multimodal assignments. And so first, you learn what multimodal assignments are, then you create one, and then you create an assignment. And so by creating one, you experience what your students are going to experience. So you understand what they're going through when they try to develop their project, but it also gives you an example project so you can use the project that you create as the example they can follow. It's always nice to have something to look at. I am going to create one of these with you, so I will be sharing what I make with you, and then we can talk about, what did we learn, and what are some tricks. I like Canva, so I am going to use that. It's really easy to use. There's plenty of templates, and there's templates for everything from presentations and videos to info cards and websites. So Canva is just a really great tool. If you have never used it, I highly recommend it. In any case, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and call me. I check my email a lot, and I can't wait to work with you, and I can't wait to see what kind of projects and assignments you came up with. Have a great night.